Welcome back, traders, to today's video. Today we're going to be doing more or less exactly the same thing that we've been doing for the last couple of videos, which is looking at EURUSD, looking at gold, and looking at NAS100. We're going to be picking up from where we left off, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And with that said, we're going to get straight into it. Now, the first asset that we're going to be looking at is going to be the EURUSD. This is a video that obviously we've been kind of like focused on a few scenarios with EURUSD, right? We've been waiting for a few opportunities to kind of present itself. The main opportunity is in this area right here, okay, which is where I believe if all the stars align, this is where I believe EURUSD is going to come to, and this is where I believe EURUSD is going to bounce from. So it's going to come into this zone right here, and then it is